Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to tell you what is guided access on your iPhone and how you can use it. So let's start the video. So your iPhone actually has a feature which allows you to enable an app, and only that app can be used by other person and they cannot go and use any other app of your iPhone. So this is the feature that iPhone has, and this feature is called guided access, meaning that you allow permission to use only a particular app, and that user can only use that app and they do not have permission to use any other app or any other setting of your iPhone. Isn't that cool? So for example, if let's suppose that if I have children, well, I don't, but for instance that if I had children and I have installed an e-learning app on my iPad and I want them to only use that app rather than playing games, so then how can I use it? So it's very simple. I will go to the guided access section on the iPhone. I will show you in this video later how you can do that, and then I'm going to enable only that app. So when my children or any other person who's going to use that iPad will open it, then they or she can only use that e-learning app, and other than that they cannot use any other app without my permission. Once I give them permission by entering the passcode, then they have permission to use the iPad as regular, but when I want them to use only a particular app, then I will enable guided access. So let's move towards the iPhone and let me show you how you can enable guided access. It's very simple, but let's move towards the iPhone. So here is my iPhone. Let me show you how you can enable and use guided access. So first of all, you're going to open settings of your iPhone. You're going to go down where you see accessibility. You're going to press on it, and here you're going to swipe down until you see in general guided access. You can see it's currently off. You're going to press on it and you're going to enable it. So now you can, now you're going to first set the passcode. So in passcode settings you can either use your touch ID, but if you want to use a password you can use that as well. So you need to set a 6-digit passcode. This is not necessarily the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone, but this passcode will be used just to enable and disable guided access, so make sure you remember it very well. Anyways, just for this video I will type 123456, retyping the password, and I'm going to go back once the password has been set it up. So you can set time limits as well. Other than that, everything looks fine. So let me just open an app in which I want to use the lock, so that anyone who's using my mobile phone cannot access any other app. So let's suppose I want them to use like TikTok for instance. So what am I going to do? I'm going to press the home button 3 times, and you can see this option pops up. You can see accessibility shortcuts, and here it says guided access. You are going to press on it, and here on the above you can see start, and you also have options as well on the lower left side. If I press on options, it will show you what kind of accessibility that the user has. He can he sleep or wake the phone? I don't want it, so that I have disabled it. Can he increase the volume or decrease it? Yes, I want the user so that he can increase or decrease the video's volume and other things like this. And the time limit is off for now. I'm going to press on done, and here on the upper right you can see start. I'm going to press on it, and you can see guided access is enabled. So let me just reduce the volume so that I don't get any copyright issues. Anyways, you can see here are the videos. So now for instance, if I want to go back, if I press on home, you can see guided access is enabled, and I have to triple click to disable it. So if I go like this in any way, and if I try to sleep, it won't work because I have disabled it in the guided access option. So this is how you can lend anyone your phone without having the issue that they will open any other you can say an app. So if I want to disable it, all I'm going to do is I'm going to press the home button 3 times, and here I will type the passcode that I have set it up for guided access. So that was 123456 in my case, and you can see here on the upper left you have end, and on the upper right resume. If you want to resume you can do, but if you want to end the session for guided access, you are going to press on it, and guided access is ended. And now you can simply go back to your home screen and do all the things that you do on your iPhone. Quite simple, but this is quite a useful feature of the iPhone that many people don't know. So this is how you can use it. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. I have made many videos regarding iPhone features in the past as well, and I will try to make videos regarding iPhone features in the future as well. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.